Quartermaster Science Technology Park. This is a culmination of about 23 years of ownership at the property. We've really put together a team to develop the site to what companies and biotech the world is looking for today.
There was actually 4 much larger parcels. And back in the late 90s, PIDC broke up the 4 parcels. Sky purchased one of the parcels, which consisted of about 22.5 acres.
KJ from Scheer Partners is going to guide us through what we're going to get. So.
Great. Well, we'll start here at, I think we're going to walk through building 15 first, right? And then building 15, which we're going to see here, is really a blank slate. We have an ownership group that's done lab space before. They have lab space out in the suburbs, but this is their Philly focus. 15,000 square foot floor plates on each floor, and I think the cool part of this is we have a rooftop that has a view of the skyline of Philadelphia, so we can kind of show you where you are in proximity to the airport and other parts in the city. So follow me.
This area is envisioned as a social area.
Yep.
So maybe some roofing here, chairs, tables. There would be a floor that would be more walkable than this right now.
Over the last 18 months, there have been millions of dollars spent on infrastructure, the right team, the right leasing agent, the right architect. Everybody needed to put the project together and to finally turn the site into what Alex always knew that it could be.